Welcome to our channel. Setting up Siri Shortcuts for Instagram can help you quickly access common actions. Follow these step-by-step instructions to create custom Instagram shortcuts. Step 1. Ensure you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your iPhone. Open the App Store and check for updates if necessary. Step 2. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. This app comes pre-installed on iOS devices and has a white icon with colorful squares. Step 3. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. This opens the shortcut creation interface. Step 4. Tap Add Action to begin building your Instagram shortcut. Search for Open App in the Actions search bar. Step 5. Select Open App from the results. Then tap Choose and select Instagram from your list of installed apps. Step 6. Tap on the settings icon, 3 dots, at the top right corner of your shortcut. Give your shortcut a descriptive name like Open Instagram or Check Instagram. Step 7. Customize your shortcut icon and color by tapping Choose Icon. Select an icon and color that helps you identify the shortcut quickly. Step 8. Toggle on Add to Home Screen if you want quick access to the shortcut directly from your iPhone home screen. Step 9. Tap Add to Siri to create a voice command. Record a phrase like Open Instagram or Show me Instagram that will trigger this shortcut. Step 10. Test your Siri shortcut by saying, "Hey Siri," followed by your custom phrase. Siri should immediately open Instagram for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.